All right, it's Tuesday. We're going to start with rhyme recognition. I'll say the two words, you repeat them. Give me a thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't. Hip, caught. No, they don't rhyme. Found, round. Yep. Sheep, make. I hope you gave thumbs down. In, pin. Well, bell. Good job. Okay, onset fluency, that means beginning sounds. I'll say the two words, you repeat them and tell me what's the sound that they begin with. Girl, golf. G. Boy, bass. B. Lost land. O. Her heart. H. Fence fur. F. Good. Okay, we're going to blend our phonemes, our parts of our words. G, O, go. L, O, low. N, O, no. B, O, bow. R, O, row. Good job. Okay, isolating the medial sound, that's the one in the middle. Medial and middle kind of start the same. H, at. A. P, N. E. D, id. I. Op. Ah. H, Good job. We're cruising. We're segmenting. Get your choppers out. Do. D, oo. Now your turn. Boo. B, oo. Two. T, oo. Zoo. Z, oo. You. Y, oo. Okay, good job. I'm going to add part of the word, okay? We're adding to the beginning. I add at the beginning to make my. O, add t at the beginning to make toe. Oo, add d at the beginning to make do. E, add at the beginning to make me. A, add s at the beginning to make say. Now I'm deleting, I'm taking part of the word away, or the phoneme away. Okay, we have the word me without What's left? E. We have the word lay without ul. What's left? A. We have the word to without t. What's left? Oo. We have the word pie without p. What's left? I. We have the word so without s. What's left? O. Substituting phonemes, that means I take part of the word away and put in a new part. We have the word day, change d to Now we have a may. We have the word may, change to p. Now we have pay. We have the word pay. Change p to wa. Now we have way. We have the word way. Change wa to da. Now we have day. Good job. And now our rhyme, our nursery rhyme at the end. Roses are red. Your turn. Violets are blue. If you want, you can try to say that all together. I think you've heard this before, so it should be easy. Roses are red, violets are blue. Okay, we'll learn more tomorrow.